Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today I got this really cool product here that's by a brand called APEMAN, and pretty much what it is a dash camera that you can use for your car. So any of you guys who work for Uber or Lyft or any driving service or anyone that just want to use one as like accident protection, so you have proof of anything that happens while you're driving, then you should definitely watch this video and see whether or not this product is worth it for you. So enough talking, let's open up and show you guys what it looks like and what comes in the package. So right at the bat, when you open the package, they give you a thank you card to show you the thank you and instructions. So here is the thank you card or hello card. And then here's the user manual on how to set up and how to use it. And then if you open that part up, you get the camera right here. But we'll show you that later on because you want to show the best product at the end. Next thing we have in the bottom, we have all the other accessories. So let's take one by one and show you guys what comes inside. So first thing first, it comes with a USB cable. And then it gives you another cable, but this one is a car adapter cable. They give you a mount setup to mount the device onto your car to record all the accidents and whatever case may be. They give you like another alternative or another mount in the way. Not sure if you can see or not, hopefully you guys can. So now that we open everything in the package, let's show you the final product, which is right here in my hand. This is the product itself. So this is the brand name right here. If you guys notice, it's called APEMAN. And pretty much what it is a dash cam. So here's the camera, it's stuck like that, it doesn't float in or anything. There's a flash thing here, I think you can use it or you probably can't, but we'll figure out that in a second. If you guys look on top, this is where you use to charge it. You can use the mount right here. Here is HDMI cord. Here is the SD card slot, or this is the micro SD card slot. And here's some up and down buttons, and then that's the other button that we'll use later on. If you turn on this side, we have more buttons. We have a power button, we have a OK button, a mode button, and a lock button, which we'll figure out how to use that as well. If we look on the bottom, there's actually nothing here, but I believe in the bottom there's a reset button right there. That's the reset button, and then this is some other component of the camera itself. And if we face this side, here's the screen itself, very nice screen. So pretty much right here, the screen is 3 inches, so that's pretty nice. It's not too big, not too small, but it's very nice and very handy to have. You can just stick it about your mount on your car and you can just use it. But first thing first, let's power it up and see how it works and how it functions. Alright, so we're gonna plug it in right now. It's plugged in. So as you guys can see, the setup is very nice. Right now it's saying that there's no SD card because we haven't put that in yet, but we'll test that out later on because I want to show you guys the function on here first. So if you guys look on the different modes on here, it has like a recording option, it has like the other continuous recording, and then right here it shows you the time and the date, but you can also change that later on because that is incorrect date. Right here it shows you the battery life, and it shows you that there's a mic on to record. And then right here it shows you the brightness or the settings and everything, but I'll show you guys how to do that right now. So first thing first, I'm going to show you guys how to change it to pictures. So first thing first, click on mode on the side. So first thing first, if you guys notice, it changed from a video camera to a camera, so that means I'm picture mode now. And then everything's pretty much almost the same thing, and you can change it later on in the settings, which is right here. But let me show you guys one more thing before I change that. Click on the mode one more time, and it goes to your card to check all your pictures or videos that you're taking. But now we are going to go to the mode section, which is right here on the side of this side. And then you can change this all different settings on here, but since we're still on the camera and video option, we'll click mode one more time, or this button actually one more time to exit. And then we're going to go back to the video option, and then when we want the video or the picture option, you can click on this button right here. And you can change the different resolution, you can change the loop recording, the different settings that are on here, exposure, everything. If you click on the button one time, you can go to here to change the time, the date, and the brightness, everything is on here. And that beeping sound that when you first get it, you can turn that off if you want to as well. So everything is all right here and very nice and handy. But the quality, if you guys notice, is actually not bad. So let me go back to the beginning. So if you guys notice here, I'm gonna stand right here. So if you guys kind of notice, the quality is actually not bad at all. It's actually really good quality. but right now I'm not recording yet because I don't have a micro SD card. But it does work for a lot of micro SD card slots. But make sure to get a micro SD card slot that is formatted to FAT, because I read online and some people said that it didn't work for some micro SD card formats. So then you have to format it to actually be FAT. So in this case, it actually works really well. But first thing first, let me test it out right now to see whether or not that is the case first. So let's do that. Alright, so now the SD card is in. Let's give it a try. Alright, so if you guys notice on the top, it started to record, so it actually works now. So just make sure when you're formatting your files that it's not EXFAT or any other format, it has to be FAT. This in this case actually works really well and it's fine. So because I formatted to that correct file, it actually works now. But let's stop recording and then let's change it to a picture now. Alright, so we are doing the test right now on the product. If you guys can see, the quality is not bad. It actually works really well. Here is the product right here in low light setting, pretty nice, working really well. Alright, so if you guys notice right here, it changed to picture mode now, and we're gonna take a picture. Alright, so there's a picture of me right there. I look so molded. So this actually works really well and it's pretty good quality. It says 1080p. The picture quality that comes out of the camera is 12 megapixels, so that's pretty nice and it's pretty good quality and it's very nice to have. So I highly do recommend getting one of these if you guys want one.